In this video, we'll show you how to build a fully dynamic customer dashboard in Excel using Gemini AI. With just one click, your entire dashboard and pivot sheet are created automatically. Sounds crazy, right? Let's get started. This is a customer dashboard dataset containing 10,000 customer records. If you'd like to use the same dataset, download it from the video description and follow along with this tutorial. First, open Google and search for Gemini AI. Click on the official Gemini website. Once the website opens, you may not need to log in if you're already signed in with your Google account. You'll now be on the Gemini AI homepage. Next, copy the prompt. We've already included it in the video description, so make sure to download it. Once you've copied the prompt, paste it into Gemini AI and click Submit. Gemini will generate the complete customer dashboard VBA code for you within a few moments. Once the VBA code is generated, copy it. Now open Microsoft Excel and press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Then click the Insert tab and select Module. Now rename the module to Dashboard. Then paste the VBA code you copied from Gemini. Close the VBA editor. Next, let's create a button. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and select the rounded rectangle. Draw the button on the right side of the worksheet. Set the button's shape fill to yellow. Change the text color to white. Center align the text, make it bold, and set the font size to 20. Rename the button to Build Dashboard. Now right-click the button, select Assign Macro, choose Generate Dashboard, and click OK. Click the Build Dashboard button. As you can see, an error appears while running the VBA code. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Take a screenshot of the error, then go back to Gemini AI and paste the screenshot. Next, describe the error you're getting and click Submit. Gemini will fix only the issue you described. However, if you continue fixing errors one by one, it can become difficult. So instead, ask Gemini to generate the complete updated VBA code with all fixes included. Once the new VBA code is generated, copy it, go back to Excel, delete the old VBA code, and paste the new updated code. Now, as you can see, we currently have only the datasheet. Click the Build Dashboard button again and watch what happens. Wow, look how quickly the dashboard is created. Now you can see that both the dashboard sheet and the pivot sheet have been created automatically, saving us a lot of time. Let's check whether everything is dynamic. Perfect. Everything updates dynamically. The dashboard includes 6 KPI cards, 3 slicers, 5 professional charts, different color themes, fully automated updates. If your KPI cards don't update automatically, go to the Formulas tab, click Calculation Options, and if it's set to manual, change it to automatic. After that, everything will work correctly. In the pivot sheet, you'll find all the KPI values, along with 6 pivot tables. That's how we built a fully dynamic customer dashboard using Gemini AI-generated VBA code. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.